Today, we are going to review Custom Keto Diet Plan. Tom Hunter made this program for each one of those ladies who need to consume fat, assume responsibility for their well-being and reshape their bodies with no contrivance or supplement. Tom Hunter's program dependent on late logical examinations on how gut well-being affects weight reduction. Custom Keto Diet by Tom Hunter is additionally prominent with the name of Custom Keto Diet since it uncovers some intriguing realities about keto diet. Tom Hunter is multiple times national honor victor in female well-being, and he put 16 years in helping ladies to accomplish the best state of their life. How does the Custom Keto Diet program works for weight loss? The Custom Keto Diet works in a characteristic way. It considers the extraordinary female digestion that endeavor disposes of the resolute fat stores of a lady's body. The program depends predominantly on accomplishing ideal metabolic working and rebalancing of the gut small-scale verger that has a basic task to carry out in one's well-being and weight reduction. Microflora rebalancing. The human gut is stuffed with microorganisms that assume a few jobs in one's diet and well-being. Any unsettling influence in their populace can prompt heaps of medical problems, including the expanded hard-headedness of the fat and trouble in disposing of it. Custom Keto Diet Book. In this stage, the program exhorts against specific sustenances that should be taken and a few nourishments that should be incorporated into one's diet plan. The target of this stage is to adjust the bacterial creation of the gut. This supports productive fat consuming, upgraded vitality levels, and improved essentialness. This is finished with the support of the most recent logical research. Also, it is planned with the goal that a lady can improve her assimilation just as accomplish a speedy and effective decrease in her weight. Custom Keto Diet Meal Planner. To know more, click the description link below and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.